really expensive chairs, have been shipped over from India. They look really expensive. She had some extra fabric, so what I did is come by here yesterday, treated them, or the day before, treated them, and gave her a call yesterday and asked her how the material looked. What's up, guys? This will be a little short video. This is kind of protecting yourself against damage.
Turn left onto Amanda Way.
Excuse that lady. I'm going to do a Scotch card job or fabric protection. She can interrupt right now, watch.
In a quarter mile, the destination is on your left.
So I came here yesterday, and these are really expensive chairs, have been shipped over from India. They look really expensive. She had some extra fabric, so what I did is come by here yesterday, treated them, or the day before, treated them, and gave her a call yesterday and asked her how the material looked, and everything came out fine. No, it's light material, so you can get darker changes in colors and stuff like that. We didn't want to do anything like that, so I came out, tested it, and everything's fine. So I'm back. So go ahead and Scotch guard, or actually put some fabric protection on these chairs. All right. Alright guys, real short video. So if you notice, I'm using a spray bottle. Well, this is a actual misting bottle, so I made sure I got a misting bottle on hand for sensitive fabrics and stuff like that. You know, you don't want to spray too aggressively on these things. You want to get it wet, but not over wet. And my brush here, this is about as fine as you can get. Okay, make sure it's really clean before I use it. Like wash it, or make sure you got a brand new one before you go ahead and spread it around, because if you got dust and stuff on that, and you got white fabric, it's gonna look dirty when you're going over it. That's not good, is it? You're gonna be getting it dirty. So brand new, or make sure it's used. Really soft brush. This one right here is, you know, counter brush, works great for it. A misting bottle here, sprays a fine mist, so that way you're not putting too much on there. A nice even mist. And then, you know, I covered the area around it with the throw rugs or the mats. Okay, so protecting people's furniture and not messing up. And the most important thing is making sure that you're not going to mess anything up. For me, coming over here 2 days ago and just testing it, you know, really saved me a lot of stress, because I'd have been worried about it for the next 2 days. And I don't do that no more. If I can't do it, I'm gonna let the customer know. And I know these lighter fabrics pretty well, and I know you can't get them over wet, because you'll get wicking and browning and stuff like that. So glad I did that. That's it for this video, guys.
They gotta find and found a better way. 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 They gotta find and found a better way.